Lancome cleanser and toner. Welcome back to watching Aciero. Today I'm back again with another unboxing, a new product I discovered at Lancome counter. So I was shopping. As you guys know, I love shopping. If you love my other videos on shopping, click over here, then you see them and you see what kind of products I love shopping for. So this time I went for skincare shopping. I wasn't actually looking. I was looking for something else, I think in makeup or something, and then all of a sudden I saw this new product from Lancome. This was a game changer for me because the lady told me this product has been selling for 135 euros, and now it was 35 euros. This is something you can save on. The sale had just started, but this product has been selling, and it has been, I think, 200 milliliters, and it's been going for, I think, the same price for just the whole set. It was just like 200 millimeters just for one, and I was like, but I had never used it. So this is the Lancome My Comforting Cleansing Duo. It's made with honey and sweet amylose oil. And the toner is made with acacia honey. So this is like 400 millimeters. But this is the comforting makeup remover milk with honey and sweet amylose oil. So this will take you the whole 6 months or a whole year. Really, if you bought this with my shopping strategies and tips, if you've missed them, click over here and take you to those videos where I give you all strategies on how to shop and save money, because this is like you're shopping in bulk. This is for a whole year. To me, I will use this for a whole year. So this is also the toner. Yeah, so you have a makeup remover, which is also a cleanser. This is the toner, and this is like also 400 millimeters. So these are like two, I'm always using 2 of these a year, and those are like maybe 200 mil, or I think 100 mil, I think 200 mil, and this is like double that. So double the party, less price. You should check out these discounts. If you want to buy stuff, buy in bulk, and this is like you're buying in bulk. This will take you almost a year if you're good, like if you have a small face like mine. If you have a big face, you might need 2 of these, but if you buy 2 of these, it's like 75 euros. And if you just had to buy one, you'd have to spend maybe like 250 euros for just 2 boxes, But if you buy 75 euros, 2 of these, save a lot of money. This is the Lancome unboxing for today. So when are you going to start buying stuff? I don't know, but I already started buying stuff, and now I've stopped because the sale is almost going to stop in a few weeks. So I'll go back at the end of the sale and see what's going to be on 70%. So when it's 70%, then I'll purchase it. Or I'll wait for the end year sale, because that's a very good sale, because when the end of year sale, you're buying stuff for next year. So which is great, and then by then you have all these brands that want to launch new collections and just bringing all these Christmas packages, and people can shop in bulk, and you can pick up those gift sets that you can use yourself and also help you save on your money. That was my unboxing. I'm sure Lancome makes good products, and I think this thing will work well. I've been using another product, but it works good for me. This one will. The other one I think is kind of a little bit expensive compared to this one. Thinking about more money, but I also want quality. If this doesn't do what I want, I'm not going to stick on it, but I'm sure it will do what I want, because it's just a makeup remover and cleanser and toner. What could go wrong with those 2 things? But we all need to cleanse and tone. Those are the basics of a skincare routine. So if you need something to start with, I want to start with makeup, start cleansing and toning every day, because that's a must for your face to keep on creating new cells. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. Love you lots. Watch more videos on this channel, and see you in the next videos. And 1, 2, 3, and go!